everyone, how are you? I hope you all are fine and you all are welcome in our class. This is your textbook of class 4th English textbook, and today we will learn the poem number 4, Why. In this poem, the poet says about a boy. He is very curious. Curious means a person who is very eager to know something. So here is a boy in our poem, Why? And he is very curious and he is always asking why. So our poem's title is Why. You can see in this picture a boy and a girl. Here is a boy who is very curious boy. He is always asking everyone why and why. In his question there is only why. So let's recite this poem. You also recite with me. So you have to sit with your textbook. This poem is on page number 60. Let's recite it. I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Why this, why what, why then, why now, why not, why, by the by. He wants to know why boat should swim. Why lead and marble sink. Why sun should shine and wind should blow. And why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sink the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you will try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. So this is our poem Why. Let's understand this poem by the stanzas. First stanza is, I know a curious little boy who is always asking why. Here is one boy who is very curious. Curious means eager to know something. He is always asking everyone why. He is asking in his question that why this, why what, why that, why then, why now, why not, why, by the by. In his question he always asking why. So he is very curious because he want to know why this thing happened, why this thing happened now, what happened then. So in his question there is always eagerness about the things. Second stanza, he wants to know why wood should swim. He want to know why wood should swim. Wood can swim in water. So his question is why wood swim? Why wood should swim? Why lead and marble sink? Here lead means a soft metallic element. Lead means a soft metallic element. And marble means small glass balls. Many children or we also play with marble. Okay? So it's called small glass balls. And lead means soft metallic material. So this kind of material, lead and marble, always sink. Sink means go down below the surface of water. So sink, go down surface in the water. So why the lead and marble sink in the water? So it is question of that curious boy. Why sun should shine? He want to know why the sun shine and wind should blow. Why does the wind should blow? He also want to know about the wind and sun. And why we eat and drink? Why we eat and drink? His question is about the people. Why there is need to eat and drink. So he always eager to know about all the things are happening why. In third stanza, he wants to know what makes the clouds. He wants to know the formation of cloud, which type of materials that makes clouds. So he wants to know the formation of clouds also, and why they cross the sky. He wants to know why the clouds cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills? Why the sun hide behind the hills? Or why does the sun rise behind the hills? And why the flowers die? In the green field, all the beautiful flowers always die in the evening. So he wants to know about the natural. Last stanza, some of these why are not too hard. Some kinds of questions that begin with why, it's not hard. There is answer of it. To answer if we will try. If we will try to give answer, then some answer are possible to give. But others no one ever yet has found the reason why. But some questions are very difficult to find out, and we have to accept it by the facts. Okay, there is no answer because it has facts, and we have to accept the fact that is always ever. So there is no any reason. Reason means a cause. So these are your new words for this poem. And this poem, the poet wants to tell us that there is a eagerness of a boy, a little boy who is always asking why about the things around him. So new words are curious means eager to know, lead means soft material, soft metallic element, marble means small glass balls, sink means go down below the surface of water, and reason means a cause. Here is some rhyming words also. First stanza there is rhyming word why and by. Why and by. In second stanza there is a rhyming word. Rhyming means same pronouns. Sink and drink. Sink and drink. In third stanza, there are rhyming words are sky and die. Sky and die. In fourth stanza, there are rhyming words are try and why. Which are try and why. So these are your rhyming words from this poem. So you have to write down these rhyming words and new words in your English notebook, and try to recite this poem and try to understand this poem. I hope you understand this poem. So I will explain the question, answer and exercise in the next video. Thank you.